Welcome this video. Elevate rustic gardening bed on a budget. Create elevate gardening bed can transforming your gardening experience, especially if you look to grow vegetable, herb or flower in a convenient and original way. Well, pro make gardening bed can be expensive. A pairing allow you to custom your gardening will save money. Here, comprehensive gas to build, elevate, rustic gardening bed, chap and affecting benefit of elevate rustic gardening bed. Before divide into a construction process, let's review the advertising of elevate gardening bed. Better salt quality. You have full control over size max consist for your plants. Approving elevate bed red the need of build make gardening more access for seasoning for all those with practically patrolling calling. The height make if had a patrol like robin or ground divide insects your plant a static appear. Rustic gardening add a need and original look to your gardening. Material you need to keep cost low on material that and affordable and rate available. Wood reclaim, wood pallet wood, or under restrict plan pot and budget friendly choice. Salt, a mix of term compost and original material. Plots or wood salt for add product. Step by step gardening. Plan your gardening bed. Demo on the size of your gardening bed based on your available space. Gardening goat. A compost size elevate bed is 4 feet by 2 feet with a height of 2 feet and 3 feet. Build the frame. Create regulating or secure frame. Use the word attach the price. Use screen pandit the cottage with brog. Add the button supported. If you plan to elevate the bed completion of the gardening, add a button layout of salt or a saltwood plan. Smart hold for if use of salt panel. Line the bed. Line the inside with landscape fiber, plants, salt to protect the wood from salt and provide salt out supported. Fit the bed with salt. Mix tropically compost and original metal to create rich salt. Fit the bed to above 1 2 inch below the top edge. Plants your gardening Choose plants that rest in rustic bed such as promoting lateral base or flower process weak health quality. Cost save type. Use reclaim material. Choose get list for free or wood or repurposed old furniture. Tool. Tool from neighborhood or a locate lab if you are do them. Main interest type. Water elevate bed being due out fast then group level gardening. Choose moment left week request remove wood to elevate compost inside for demos. Choose for wood board of laws make request as need. Create idea. Add one. A supported for reclaim plants look was multi-dropping bed create loft for choosing gardening effect. Design. Use non-thropping to add streaks of color personally. Portrait bed. Add wild for easy mobile. Finally, touch. Build your awning. Elevate rustic gardening bed is a reward and cost effect a way to enhance your gardening experience with a little effect and create you can create and functional and attacked gardening feature without break the bank. Start smart use what you have and enjoy each of your lab. Thank you for watching this video.